Hey Pocket Percussion, it's Luke Herbert here, and I'm at the beautiful Her Majesty's Theatre in Adelaide, finishing off tour with Here You Come Again. And I thought I'd do this little video for our channel for Red Cymbals and show you, by the end of the tour, we've been on the road for 6 months all around Australia this year, what I've been playing and how my cymbal setup with Red has changed. So we're just kind of bumping in today. While I'm bumping in, I thought I'd show you my cymbal setup. So when I was in Melbourne on a second season of the show, I had the amazing opportunity to go to the factory of Red Cymbals with Dylan, and it's amazing. If you ever get the chance, go there. And I've added a few new cymbals, including this cute little thing, 4-inch little splash. I haven't played splashes in years, but Red are making so many amazing cymbals. I'm playing a vertical raw 10-inch effect splash, which I'm loving on the show, and a 10-inch Melbourne series splash, effect splash. And then I've been adding this one to the top. And this last leg of the tour, I've changed to 13-inch traditional Reds. These are so crisp and unlathed at the bottom. The traditional darks. I'm loving these cymbals. Before this tour I was playing the vertical dark, and so these are slightly brighter. And I was playing the 14-inch traditional darks, unlathed at the bottom as well. And the 13s are even a little more crisp. I'm just loving them. I also just got, I'm not playing it on this tour, but when I was down at Red Cymbals, I got a 26-inch vertical, and the verticals are nice too, even a little bit brighter than the traditional darks. But I'm loving these traditional darks. I'm also playing a 16-inch effects as my main crash, which is awesome. Quite a big cymbal setup. So this has been my main ride for a couple of years, the vertical raw. But I'm not playing that on this tour. I switched to a surprise, surprise. I'm loving this. This is the 21-inch traditional dark ride. So if you haven't heard of Red Cymbals or you haven't checked them out, I strongly encourage you guys to hit them up and try out their amazing cymbals. They have so many different ranges and unique sounds. Australian company. Thank you so much, Red Cymbals, for all your support this year on the tour with Here You Come Again. And I believe these are brand new stick bags just in stock. Red stick bags. So you might be able to get them on their website by 2026. Plenty of room, and I've got all my Dragonfly mallets in here. Big shout out to Dragonfly Percussion too for all your support, and incredible. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks Red Cymbals, Dragonfly Percussion, and also big thanks to Elisa's Drums.